Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the slow motion video speed in the HUAWEI P60 Pro. So in the first step, open the camera app, and now if you are in the photo section, just slide to the right to the more and choose slow motion. Now if you want to change your slow motion video speed, click on this little icon and select your speed. Here we have 8 times, 4 times and 32 times. And now this is the maximum slow-mo speed, and this is how it looks. And this 8-time video speed. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.